everyone, welcome back to another video. So it's another travel vlog, and this video is very special to us because we're going to dun, 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 dun. Pero bago yung lahat, nandito kami ngayon sa Marhaba Lounge. It's currently 2:50 a.m. and our boarding time is 6:45, and we're allowed here until 5:40. So we're just gonna chill here, eat, sleep. Yun, ang aga namin dumating like 5 hours before nandito na kami sa airport. And yun, super easy lang ng process namin. From check-in to immigration and dito sa launch. So, saan nga ba tayo pupunta? So, we're gonna go to Moshi, ano, anyway, yan. So, finally, yung dream namin ni Faria, makakapunta na rin kami sa Japan. So, yeah. Gumagamit lang ako ng mic kasi madaming tao dito sa launch and hindi tayo dapat maging maingay. So, ngayon, share ko lang yung naging experience namin sa immigration. So, ang tanong lang kung government employee and that's all. Tapos ang comedy ba? Kasi tinanong ako kung yung bata, ano ko daw. Sabihin ko sana, pinapulot ko lang sa labas dito. Charot. So, yun lang. Super, nawala na yung mga kaba. So, super excited na kami. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna cry. Charot. Sige. Kuha muna kami ng pagkain. And then, we'll just update you when we land on Japan. So, yeah. Bye. Finally, we're boarded. Nasa plane. And time check. It's 7:07 and ang aming departure time is 7:30. So, kanina, 5:40 kami umalis ng launch. And then, dumaratso na kami sa boarding gate na mga 1 hour pa kami ulit nag-antay. So, we're really excited na busog at medyo kulang sa tulog. So, I think we're gonna sleep the whole flight. Diba, Baba? Hi! Are you excited?
Yeah,
What are you excited for?
Japan.
What do you wanna do in Japan?
Eat their ramen.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Mochi.
Ooh, I'm so excited too. So yeah, see you later, Japan. Bye. Touchdown! See Nagoya! We're here na. Now, may problema tayo. Di namin ako paano puntang Chun. So, we're gonna explore dito na magsa-start ang aming journey. Kung paano maligaw sa Japan. See you later, guys. Bye! We survived. We found the train to Nagoya Station. So, from the Terminal 2 ng Chubu International Airport, naglakad lang kami papuntang Terminal 1 to ride the Meiketsu line going to Nagoya Station. And then, to Nagoya Station, doon na kami mag-bullet train. So, yun lang. Kumuha kami ng first class ticket para may leg room, tsaka yung mga baggage namin nandito. Malapit lang sa amin. Total cost is around 3,004 yen or around 400 each pesos kami. So, yun. We're so excited to go to Tokyo. Are you excited?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Ayun lang. So, yeah. This is a Meiketsu line. So, yeah. See you later, Nagoya Station. Bye. Guys, so, nandito na kami sa Yokohama. Isang station na lang, Shinagawa and then Tokyo na. Ayun, super easy lang ng process nung,
It's already evening.
oh yeah, almost evening. Ang arrival namin sa Tokyo ay 6:08. After this bullet train, mag-transfer kami ng isa pang train going to Asakusa. And then we're gonna check in. Tapos, yun, rest, dinner, konting gala, and sleep. Para may energy for tomorrow. So, itong nabook namin na train ay ano nga ba to? Nozomi, tapos reserved seating, regular car lang siya. Yung baggage namin, di ba may nag-book ako ng oversized luggage pero hindi siya available. So, ganito yung eksena namin. Ayan, si Faria yung sa kanya yung may pinakamalaking luggage kasi malit naman yung legs. Ako wala, mahaba kasi legs. Si dad yung next luggage namin. And then, yung isang 20 inches namin na luggage nandun. Meron naman dito, basta 20 inches. Merong overhead cabin. So, yeah. Yan. Malapit na kami sa Tokyo. Halos buong araw na kami nagbibiyahe. Nakakapagod. Actually, yung nakakapagod kasi hindi naman mainit eh. So, see you soon, Tokyo. Busy sila, oh. Busy. Bye. You hold the room key properly, huh? So we're here na sa Aba Hotel. So it's very near to the station. 14 bunso.
14. I'm close.
Oh, you're listening to the receptionist, huh? Good job.
No, I didn't.
Well, how did you know that it's 14?
I listen pala.
Hi! So, we're gonna room tour na agad. Grabe yung lakad natin. Pero, sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Kaso mabigat lang ito eh.
Mas mabigat yan?
Ipauwi natin na ano. Pero
Mas
hindi na,
madadagdagan pa ng isa.
hindi na, kabisado na natin yun.
Yeah. Floor. Naging kambing.
I'll go first.
Naging kambing.
You.
Ay, tayo na.
41?
Uy, where's the number, baba? Anong number niyan?
Excuse me. Nasa iyo.
Ito, 1403.
14:02.
So, I'll be the first one to kasi I will room tour.
Over somewhere there.
Yeah. Ooh, that's so high. Okay, don't look over there. It's super high.
My God.
Yeah, I don't wanna look at there.
Yeah, I have a little of acrophobia.
Don't look, Dada.
I have a little
Dad,
of
oh, you... Oh, Mama, first, let's tour them.
Agwad.
Not working.
Isa pa. Ako na lang. O, kasi Mama na. Okay, Mama first. Okay.
Agwad. Already the
Oh, already the bed.
And it's a
Pagpasok mo, bed na agad. But it's fine.
like from the Manila.
Yeah. And then we have the mirror here, may sampayan. And the bathroom. Ay, si Dada naiwan.
Look,
Oh! Oh!
there's the bathtub.
What
But
the
it's
fuck?
small.
Yeah, perfect for you, right?
It's perfect.
Perfect. Perfect, Dado. Bathtub for Baba.
What up, mama?
And
Baba lang.
and there's no TV.
There's no TV. And then bed agad.
No TV?
Yes.
No
Look.
TV?
Yeah. You can
Ay,
like
there
just-
is.
Here!
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Okay, tapos ang room tour, yun na po yun. Bye, guys! Mag-aayos na kami. We're gonna eat ramen.
They're saying.
What? Alright, we're out again. So, galing kami ng... Ay, Dad, stop. Stop. So, naka-settle na kami sa hotel. And then, labas kami ngayon. Nagpalit lang kami ng jacket kasi halos 18 hours na naming suot yun. So, ang current weather forecast is 18 degree with mahangin na hangin. So, windy. Saan tayo? So we're looking for a place to eat. Like dinner. Kasi kagabi ko, di ba, wala pa kaming maayos na kain. Wala pa rin kami maayos sa tulog. Hi! Hi guys. Faria, how's your experience? I would like to thank my baby. She never tantrums. She loves it here in Japan. Super. She loves to walk. Yeah. It's her dream country. She loves to walk. She loves to go to the stairs, upstairs, and carry the bags and all of that without even complaining. Super. Maybe Faria will go back here again. Yes, English. Sige, maghanap muna kami ng makakainan kasi we're super hungry na.
We didn't eat breakfast.
And lunch. Oh, daily! Uy,
I was
McDonald's!
talking about the day.
Ito po.
We're here at the ramen house. We don't know what's the name, but it's near our hotel. We just walk around 1 to 2 minutes. And the rice is andi rice. So this is how it looks like. Hi, Korea. It's a local restaurant, I think.
What's local restaurant?
Like this. Our first ramen.
The
Later.
capital of Japan.
Yes, right.
Kaya.
So here's my food. Ano nga to, Dad? Pork something. I don't know. Tapos may 5 pieces of nori save for Faria. And then sa kanila is ramen. So ito ay Ichi Kakuya Official. Ito yung name ng restaurant, Ichi Kakuya. Ito yung baby.
Oh.
Do you know what that? Look at Faria's food. With egg. Happy eating, guys.
I don't.
This is for Faria. Happy eating.
Picture natin.
Ay, picture muna tayo. Ay, picture ko yung kay Faria.
Fresh? Ang fresh?
Diba? Kahit Haggard, ang fresh ng ano natin dito, atake. We're gonna eat now. Ito i-test muna natin para makita nyo kung gaano sarap ang pudang.
It's better than the Japanese restaurant.
Really? Really? Uy, Dad, sarap na sarap siya.
It's like the talag.
Perfect. Magkano lahat to?
3,000.
3,000 yen.
Right.
In Philippine money, how much is 3,000 yen?
Around
1,200.
1,000.
Oh,
Lord,
I forgot this.
sarap. Oishi. You know what's oishi?
Oh no?
Delicious.
Oh yes.
You will say, oishi.
I want the pink and white thing. What do you call that, Dad? The pink and white thing. I love that.
Naruto.
Yes. Naruto.
Now I need to taste the ramen. Can I taste your ramen?
Yes.
Ooh.
I just taste the soup. It's good.
Good. Oh, you pass na so I can taste your ramen. Are you happy? You can the seaweed. Oh my god.
Good.
Yeah, 7.
Ang dami.
Ito naman kay Dad.
Tik kasi. Parang okay na yung normal.
Yeah. Pero as a Filipino, good.
It just
This
looks
is
like
mine, the
paper.
other one.
Ano yun?
Ha?
Ganun.
Hindi. Emi ko lang.
Parang ganun.
Hindi, emi ko lang po. Kasi gusto ko mag-seaweed. Ikaw nga may pakanin ka sa ramen mo eh. May ramen na may kanin.
Ganda ako na yung sarili sa plus 3 kilos. Plus 3 kilos.
Pag-uwi.
Parang kaya siya.
Yes, the soup. The soup.
Wait lang.
YouTube to kaya.
Later.